show you a Korean inspired makeup tutorial for Western face. And don't at me on being a Korea boo, cause I'm not. Like, you don't call all the Koreans who do makeup American boo or something. It's just a normal makeup, and I'm inspired of it, and I think it looks cute and youthful. I'm not like the American type of makeup since it's too strong and heavy for my face. But the Korean makeup is very cute, so yeah, I like it. So please don't at me or I'll come with the knife, okay? As you can see, I was doing my base. Like, I'm using a very light shade since I'm actually very pale, but now I'm like tanned, a little tanned. Because I'm a redhead, I can't get easily tanned, so I'm actually very red. But you can't see it on the video. Yeah. So what I'm gonna say? Oh yeah, so I'm gonna use this NYX or NYX brow pencil, which is the same shade as my hair, and I'm just going to do an easy brow, like following the shape of my brow, kind of straight but not that straight. Now I'm going to use the light shade as an eyeshadow base and put it all over my lid. Now I'm going to use this shade what I'm showing you, which is kind of brown orange tone, and put it again all over the lid. Now I'm using this more pinky, stronger orange shade and put it in the outer corner of the eyes. The same shade will be used on the under waterline. Yeah, on the under corner waterline. I don't know. Please write something how it's really called, because my first language is not English. I just learned it. Yeah, then I'm going to use this brown shade, dark brown shade, and put it like on the aegyo. I think aegyo is no more trend in Korea, but I still like to use it because it's make the eye more cute and puffy, and I like the way how it looks. Yeah, shimmer on the lid. Then I'm going to use a reddish purpley eyeliner, because the black eyeliner is for the look now too harsh for me, but you can use black eyeliner if you want. And I'm going to put it also on my waterline and the nude shade in the inner corner of the waterline. Do the mascara. I was like cutting one piece of lash in half, so I have small pieces of lash to put on the outer corner, almost there where no hairs are, like no lashes, so I put it on there. It gives like a cute effect from far away. Glitter in the inner corner. Now I'm gonna contour my face, but I think everyone contours the face differently since everyone has a different face shape, so you're gonna do it how you do. Good. Now I'm using 3 different eyeshadow colors and use it as a blush, #broke. These days I'm so broke I can't even afford bread, seriously. So please YouTube help me. Yeah, just gonna connect like a sunburn, the blush. Now as you can see, my expensivest or expensivest, I don't know the word, don't at me, but I'm gonna put it on the inner corner of my mouth and blend it with a Q-tip. Seriously, I will use this like product till I die. Even if it's empty, it's gonna be on my table and I will adore it. Now as you can see, I use a lip liner in nude color and overline kinda my lip a little, but not noticeable, just to make it more plump and bigger. So guys, but I will say now bye, even if I make at the end bye, because my voiceover kinda don't work at the end. So yeah, bye, enjoy, like, and subscribe, okay? Subscribe, please. Bye.